you acted with Satya Dev, right?
Yeah,
So he's such an powerhouse performer.
for sure.
So,
For sure.
like, how was your experience with him?
So he is an actor that I would like to say who's very hardworking, and he's a very impeccable, talented actor. He's a versatile actor, and also I got to know that he's a self-made actor. He's not a star kid, basically. So being in, I'm also not from a film background, so I can really connect to him because the way how he have reached to this position would be so hard for him, and working with him was wonderful. Like I could learn a lot of things from Satyadev Garu. That the layer of, as you can see, did you watch the trailer of this film?
Yes, yes,
Teaser?
yes, I
Yeah,
did.
not even a teaser. In that teaser itself, we can understand how powerhouse, how powerful performance he have given. So all the time, because I don't know this language, and he always used to help me out to speak. Like whenever I had, it was difficult for me to remember the dialogues. He even say my dialogues, help me out to this is this dialogue. You just tell it, and I have got a lot of opportunity to work with him, which is a blessed opportunity for me, and I'm very thankful to everyone who have given me this opportunity to work with Satya.
That's really good. And there is a dialogue
Yeah,
like doubt is a deadly demand, right?
yeah, exactly.
So what is doubt according to you?
Doubt, according to
Yeah,
me.
deadly doubt. What do you mean?
Doubt, according to me, is that if you self doubt yourself, if you self doubt, it's something that you're taking away your soul. You shouldn't self doubt. Yeah, you should have that confidence in your life that never confuse your talent or whatever you have. Just go with the flow and just go forward with it. Yeah, that's it.
Every character leaves an impact, right?
Yeah.
So what's the element you carry forward from this character?
An element that I would carry forward this film would be the complete role. This Renuka, what I've played, is is a little bit of intense character that I've done in my whole career, movie career. So it it would be like I would be a person who would like to work hard for whatever my director is giving. I will spend a lot of time to work on a performance, like for that role or that scene. So it would be basically, I can't speak about this because I wanted to speak a lot about this character, but I can't. So it would be I'm a hardworking person. I like to work hard for
Okay,
something I do.
that's really great.